Updating your legal name with MassMutual is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documentation that supports your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Complete the name change form. Visit the MassMutual website or contact customer service to obtain the name change form. Fill it out completely, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 3. Attach supporting documents. Include copies of the documents you gathered in Step 1 with your completed name change form. Make sure to keep the originals for your records. Step 4. Submit your requests. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with MassMutual to confirm that your name change has been processed. This can usually be done through customer service or your online account. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with MassMutual. Make sure to keep track of your submission and any correspondence for your records.